One of the great things about Marx is the motors are small enough that you can put them in just about anything O-scale to power it. This American Flyer Steeple Cab had a bad motor, so I put a Marx one in with an E unit, so now it has reverse. The bell was missing, so I have a Lionel repro bell that I stuck in there with some fun tack for now. I'll see if I can find American Flyer replacement someday. I also have a string of 7-inch American Flyer cars behind it. To me, a passenger car just isn't a passenger car unless it's lighted. So I took some 7/1000 feeler gauge material and made wiper pickups out of them. There's vellum paper in the windows that I printed silhouettes out on. They're taped in there. So we'll take it for a spin and we'll see how it runs. Okay, it runs great. The Marx motors are a pretty smooth runner. So if you have a motor or an engine like this American Flyer with a bad motor in it, grab a Marx. They're easy to stick in there. They run great. I'm really happy with my wiper pickups too. The cars hardly even blink. So thanks for watching. God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.